Good morning, Kanan. So today we see about the topic is case study of shaft failure. Okay. First, what is shaft?
So shaft is one of the main component in mechanical. So it is used to power transfer from one part to another part.
Okay. Next, what's the application of this shaft?
Sir, it is used only for automobile industries like heavy trucks, cars and vehicles, and mainly it is used in marine industries.
Marine industry.
Shipbuildings.
Can you say materials of this shaft?
Sir, mainly the shaft are made up of different types of materials for different applications, sir. Mainly high-end steels are preferred for making the shaft because the high-speed steel that having a higher durability, so the breakage of the shaft can be prevented, so that most of the shaft is very
Good. Okay. So my main topic is the failure of this shaft. Okay. Can you say failure reasons?
Let me explain about the failures. First of all, the shaft may fail due to the overload acting on the shaft, sir. And also due to the repeated cyclic stress applied on the shaft, it may break due to the fatigue failure, and also it may damage due to shear failure and bending failure, sir.
Bending failures. So overload and also
Bending
failures.
fatigue failures.
Fatigue failures. How to overcome that?
So for overcoming the fatigue failure, we need to add strong material and we need to expand our dia of the shaft. So the power is produced more and material has some strength extra. And for bending failure, as I said earlier, we have to increase the shaft dia and we have to prevent or we have to reduce the cantilever weight on the shaft, so the bending is not occur. And for shear failure, we need to avoid shocking loads, and as I said earlier, we have to increase the dia of the shaft. Every failure has to be eliminated by increasing the dia of the shaft. So that's it.
Another one important failure is speed. How to measure the speed of the shaft? Any idea?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, so this is a simple experiment setup, bending of shaft. The main experiment target is to measure the maximum speed of the shaft. Okay. For example, you don't know single mode, double mode.
Sir,
Vibration.
rings.
What is the vibration measurement?
Vibration. We don't know.
Okay, vibration is simply frequency. Frequency unit is
Hertz.
Good. SI unit is hertz. Okay. So the single mode, double mode, the two concepts is very important in our experiment. Okay. So this experiment setup is mainly used for to measure the maximum speed of the shaft. Okay. Just switch on the experiment. The shaft is rotated. Okay, so the speed. So the maximum speed. So this is a simple setup for the to measure the maximum speed of the shaft material. Okay. So the experiment name is the bending of shaft. Okay. Can you consolidate this point?
Sir, let me consolidate. In today's topic, we discussed about the shaft and also the applications of shaft. Mainly, we discussed about what are
the shaft is mainly used to transfer power from one place to another place or to another.
Failures of shaft. We discussed about fatigue failure, bending failure, overload failure, and overspeed failures. And also material of shaft. What material can be selected for the design of shaft? That all we discussed. And also what are the remedies to overcome the failures of the shaft? These are all the topics we discussed.
So this is a simple setup for the to measure the speed of the shaft. This is a one problem, one solution. Okay. Can anyone idea about other problems like the shear failure and also bending failure, overspeed?
For shear failure, the shear failure is mainly caused due to the increasing of torque.
Increase of the torque. What is torque?
Sir, torque is a
Is that simply twisting?
Twisting
movement or is it rotating?
movement. Okay, sir.
Okay, good, Kana. Thank you.
Okay.